Hey there, English learner. Welcome to your 10-minute shadowing practice, where you speak, repeat, and grow more fluent every single day. Today's goal? To sound confident, clear, and natural, just like native speakers. Let's begin. I want to speak English fluently. Every day, I'm improving my English. Confidence is my power. I'm not afraid to make mistakes. I learn something new every day. Nice work! You're already doing great. Now let's go a little faster. Ready? I speak English with confidence. I think in English, not in translation. Speaking English feels easy and natural. Practice makes progress. Awesome! You're speaking like a pro already. Remember,